Hi guys, we're at Antrim level crossing, can't you need obviously it? Ooh! Misuse. You saw that? That was nail biting. Honest to God. Anyway, time now is 12:10 on Tuesday, the 16th of March 2021. For your 12:14 Northern Ireland Railway service from Down Under to Great Victoria Street. Look at me. The van nearly hit that barrier. The barrier nearly landed on. Look at me. That was so scary. I notice I'm catching more and more misuses every day. It's not good. Well, it's good for views and stuff, but obviously not good for them because they could get fined. Ah, here it is. Whoa. Ah, here it is. 3,000 class. $3010. The number is a bit scratched. $3010 Great Victoria Street, and up they go.